Good morning, children. Today's date is 7th October 2020. Today's day is Wednesday. In our literacy class, today we are going to learn to write alphabets. Yes, so in the previous week, last week, we had learned how to write capital letters starting from A to E. So we learned how to write A, B, C, D, E in alphabetical order. Yes? So continuing, we are going to learn to write F, G, H, I, J. So these are the names of the letters. So the name of this letter is F. And the sound of the letter is F, as in fish. Yes? So this is the capital F and this is my lowercase f. The next sound here is G. The name of the letter is G and the sound of the letter is G, as in girl, goat. The next letter in the alphabetical order is H. The name of the letter is H and the sound of the letter is H, as in house, hat, hammer. The next letter is I and the sound of this letter is E, as in igloo, iguana. The next letter is J and the sound of this letter is J. We will learn this sound in detail in some time. But today you can just learn how to write the capital J. In a week or two, we are going to learn how to write lowercase sound J. Okay, so now let us learn how to write these sounds. Let us first learn to write the letter F, capital F. Yes, the sound is F. It's very easy. Yes, you make a straight line down and we have to make two sweeping lines. One at the top and one in the middle. That's the letter F, capital F. Let's write once again. So we make a straight line down. Then we make a sleeping line. We make two sleeping lines. One at the top and one in the middle. That's capital F. Again, make a straight line down. Make a sleeping line at the top. Make a sleeping line in the middle. That's the sound, the letter F. Now coming to the next one. In alphabetical order, letter after F is G. So we make a curve just like we write C. Yes. Touch the line, come up, go a little inside, make a small sleeping line and a standing line down. That's our capital G. Let's try once again. So we try making a circle, but you make just a half circle. Yes, then we come up, come inside, make a sleeping line and a standing line. That's our capital G. The sound of the letter is G. Let's try once again. So we make a curve. It's like a big C, letter C. Take it a little inside, make a small sleeping line and a standing line touching the line. That's our letter G, capital G. The next letter is H. The sound of the letter is H. So we are learning how to write the capital H. So make a straight line down. At some distance, make one more straight line. So these are two parallel lines. Yes, two straight lines. and join them with a sleeping line. That's our letter H. Very easy, yes? So make a standing line. Make two standing lines together. 1 and 2 at some distance. And then join it with a sleeping line. Let's try once again. Make a standing line. Make one more standing line at a distance. And join it with the sleeping line. That's our letter H. Now coming to the next one. The next letter is I. Capital I. The sound of the letter is E. So we make a standing line straight down. Then at the top, make a sleeping line. At the bottom, make a sleeping line. That's the letter I. So again, we make a standing line straight down. At the top, make a sleeping line. At the bottom, make a sleeping line. That's the letter I. Capital I. That's standing line. At the top, make a sleeping line. At the bottom, make a sleeping line. That's our capital I. Now let's make the next letter, that is J. Yes, J is very simple again. So you can make a standing line and make it a curve. Yes, in this direction. And at the top, make a sleeping line. That's the letter J. Okay, a standing line and a curve, and at the top, join it with a sleeping line. That's the letter J. Again, make a standing line, make a curve, and join it with a sleeping line at the top. That's our capital J. The sound of the letter is J, as in jug, jam. Yes? So this is the way we write our capital F, capital G, capital H, capital I, and capital J.